another Doses of Distraction with Captain Starlight. Before we get started, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. You have? Fantastic, let's go. Did you know that elephants can't jump, that snails can sleep for up to 3 years, and bats always turn left when they're leaving a cave? Whoa! So with all these awesome facts, it's no surprise that today's craft is toilet roll animals. Here's what you'll need. Craft glue, scissors, Sharpie, coloured crayons or textures, a hole punch, liquid paper or white paint, and some cardboard toilet paper rolls. Before using the cardboard roll, make sure Mum and Dad don't need the toilet paper first. Yep, we're all good. Let's go. Let's start with a fish. Take your toilet roll and flatten it out. Using a texter or Sharpie, draw the fish shape, but leave gaps at the top and the bottom for the body and the tail. Carefully cut where you've drawn the lines, and then once you're done, unflatten the fish. Make sure you've got an adult to help with the scissors. Nana Starlight, I need help! Now use the texter or Sharpie to add in details like eyes, gills and scales. Now that you've made the fish, try getting creative and adding some colour. Using liquid paper and the end of a paintbrush, make some eyes. Too simple? Why don't you make some other animals with extra cardboard from around the house? With a Sharpie, trace the animal's head and cut them out using scissors. Nana Starlight, I need help! Again. Then using glue, stick them to your toilet roll body. Want to get really tricky? Using a hole punch, punch 10 holes randomly throughout the bottom half of the roll. Thread wool through the holes to make the tentacles. Now that you have a whole zoo of toilet paper animals, what can you do with them? Maybe you could make a puppet show out of them and show your entire family. Oh, cool! Well, I've been Captain Starlight and this has been another Doses of Distraction. We'll see you next time. Bye!